Hello, today we are going to talk about the simple past and the past continuous. Yeah, my topic is explain the form of both. Let's start to simple past. The affirmative statement, yeah, come with go with a subject and after a verb plus d or ed or the irregular verb. For example, I worked last night. You see, here we put ed. Let's go to another example. We ran yesterday. Here is the irregular verb, ran. Okay, the negative statement is a subject plus did plus not, or didn't. Yes, example, you didn't work last week. Yeah, or they didn't play last night. Yes? Okay. Yes or no questions. First is did, first go did, the subject and the verb. The example is, did you work last night? Yes? This is the correct form, no? Other example is, did they pay the lunch? Yeah? Short answers. We have two, affirmative and negative. The affirmative is, the simple form is, yes, I did. Yeah? Another example is, yes, they did, or yes, he did. Yeah? And the negative form is, no, I didn't, no, they didn't. Yeah? Or you can put two, no, they did not, for example. Information questions is the WH word, for example, when, where, why, or what. Yeah, is the WH word plus did, subject, and the verb. Yeah, for example, when did you run here? Yeah, another example is, where did they play poker? Yeah, and the other example can be first the WH word plus the verb plus D or ED. Yeah? No, it's bad. We can. The other form is WH word is first the verb plus D or ED. Yeah? Or the irregular form, no? of the verb. Example, who ran yesterday? Yeah, this one we can see the irregular verb here. And the other example is, what happened?
Hi everyone, this is Simon. So after we know the simple past form, now I'm gonna show you about the functions of the simple past. Let's see. So about the simple past, it always used to talk about a complete action. That is means it's finished. So in a time before now. So what does this means? Just means the things is happened, is finished before now. And the time of the action can be in the recent past of the distant past. So it means the simple past, actually we use very formal. Just everything is happened before now. We all can use simple past. So that is about the function of simple past. It's quite easy. So that is the really easy one. So
hello, this is Hei. I'm talking about examples of simple past and past continuous. First, I talk about simple past. First, I went to Spain 2 years ago. The went is past simple of go verb, so we can use went. And second, Bob didn't fight with my sister. This practice didn't is past simple of do verb, so we can use negative tense didn't fight. And next, did you enjoy the concert last night? We can use also question mark, so we can change the verb and subject, so we can use did you enjoy? Yeah.
So now I am going to talk about the past continuous. Yeah. Let's start for affirmative statement. Yeah. It go with a subject, was, were, and the verb plus ing. Yeah. Like the example here. You was working last night. Yeah. You see the ing here and the was first. Yeah. And for example, another example is they were eating here. The negative statement is was, were plus not, or the other form is wasn't, weren't. Yeah. Of course, we have to put the verb plus the ing. Sorry. For example, they weren't working yesterday, or I wasn't working. No, I wasn't walking alone. Now I'm going to talk about the yes, no questions. Yeah, is was, were, subject, and the verb plus ing. For example, he was walking with you, or were they eating there? Were they eating there? Short answers. We have two, affirmative and negative. The affirmative is yes, I was, yes, they were, and the negative is no, I wasn't, or no, I was not. Another example is no, they weren't. Yeah. Information question is WH word. Yeah. Was, were, subject, and verb plus ing. For example, you see the WH word, I say is when, why, we, who, what. Yeah. Here I have a couple of examples, like when were you working here, or why was he working, who was working here, or what was happening. Thank you.
After past continuous form, we go past continuous function. So about the past continuous, so we gotta know the past continuous describe action or events in a time before now. So which begin in past and it still going on at the time of speaking. Or we can say it experienced an unfinished or incomplete act in the past. What does that mean? So we can say the simple past is complete. It is a complete action in the past, but the past continuous is different with this. It is incomplete. That means in the past, also in the past, this action happened, but it happened in the past and still going on. Just you can think that it didn't finish. So we use it to describe the background in the story writing in the past tense. So for example, right here, the sun was shining and the birds were singing as the elephant came out of the jungle. So this is an example for we use the first function. About the second one, to describe unfinished action that was interpreted by another event or action. So that is why I say it like this. So the third one to explain a change of mind. And also we have another one I didn't write here is when the past continuous used with wondering. It's applied action you can think. Just sometimes when you go to the shopping or something like this, you probably will say I'm wondering like that. So the wondering with the past continuous is about plan. So that is a past continuous function.
I talk about examples of past continuous. I prepare 3 sentences. First, I was sleeping when the phone rang. It is a verb past sentence plus ing, so we can use this. And next, I was not sleeping then. Also, we have to negative tense was not sleeping like this. And finally, we can use past tense. Were you having dinner? And also answer yes I was or no I was. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you about the differences between simple past and past continuous. First point is, do you want to talk about an action that happened after another, or you want to talk about the action that happened at the same time? Simple past tense is used for talk about the action that happened after another one. For example, she came home, then turned on the computer, then checked the email. But for the past continuous, you can use that for the actions that happened at the same time. For example, when Sam was playing the computer games, her brother was watching TV. The second part is, do you want to talk about a new action, or do you want to talk about an action that's already in a process? When we talk about new action, we just need to use the simple past tense. But when we talk about an action that already happened and in the process, we should use the past continuous. For example, he did the homework yesterday. But for this part, he was fishing at that river at noon. So that's the differences. The third one is you just want to mention something that happened in the past, or you want to emphasize a process, what you did in the past time. For the simple past, it's just used for mention something that happened in the past. For the past continuous, it's used for the emphasize the process that happened in the past. For example, he went to Paris last year. In this sentence, we just use the past tense to mention that, to talk about the action that happened last year. He went to the Paris. But if we use the past continuous, it would be like he was visiting Paris last year during the summer. It will highlight his action that he was in Paris in last summer. So these are the basic differences for these two tense. But there is another differences. It's about the timeline for these two tense. Simple past tense that to talk about something happened in the past. Here is the present right now when we are talking about something. But if you want to talk about something that happened before this moment, we should use the simple past. Like I just mentioned, the third part here mentioning. We just use the simple past to mention something happened before right now. But for the past continuous, the action is happened in the past time, but it will keep going for a little while, not just an action that happened in the past. So it's the differences between the simple past and the past continuous. What's more, I want to talk about some tips for you how to use it. There are some verbs that usually we only use them in the simple past tense, like feelings, hate, hope, love, prefer, regrets, and so on. This kind of feelings that we just can use in the simple past tense. What's more is the state, be, cost, fit, something like that, or possession, like belong, have. We just can't have that thing. We don't have that process for have a thing. The fourth one is sense. Our feel, touch, hearing, hear, see. That kind of action, it's happened in that moment. We can't continue that. Another one is brain work, like believe, like know. We can know it. It don't have any continue or process for it. The last one is introductory clauses for direct speech, like ask, like see. We don't use this word in the past continuous. That's all. Thank you.
He was walking around the lake,
Yeah.
and
It
what
sounds
did you
good.
do?
I just stayed at home. I was watching a movie for a whole afternoon.
Oh, perfect, very
Yeah.
funny. Good.
Hi Simon,
Hello.
did you do your homework?
What? Homework?
Homework, our speaking homework.
Do we have speaking homework? I don't know that. No, I don't know.
Yesterday she gave to us.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Did you remember?
I didn't do that.
Why?
You can see I'm playing games now. Come on.
No, you have to do.
No, I played this games whole weekend. Yeah.
What
I don't
did you
games.
do yesterday?
Yesterday when? Yesterday.
Day and night.
Oh, yesterday night I was playing this game. Same game.
No.
Yeah, that's true. It's really good game. Yeah. Let's play together. Let's. Oh no. This way. No. You gotta go this way. Yeah.
Like this?
What about you? What did
well,
you do in your weekend? Play game. I tried. I think so.
No. I was studying yesterday night.
You were studying?
Yeah, I did my homework.
No, this is not my way. I gotta pay.
No,